Very good morning, everyone. It's George Bairuthi from FS Securities giving you the market report for Wednesday morning, the 6th of April, 2022. First of all, we look and see what happened overnight. On Wall Street, the Dow was down 0.8%, the S&P 500 was down 1.3%, and the Nasdaq Technology Index was down 2.3%. BHP was down 2% in New York, and Rio was down 1.1%. And in Europe, the Stoxx 50 index, which comprises most major European markets, was down 0.8%, and that's on the back of FTSE going up slightly and the DAX in Germany going down 0.7%. The futures this morning are indicating that most likely the market will open 48 points down at the start of trading. Gold was down 0.5% to 1922 US per ounce, and Brent crude oil was down 1.2% to $106.25 US per barrel, and West Texas crude oil down 1.6% to 101.6 US per barrel. Iron ore price was steady at $160.80 US per tonne. The Australian dollar is 75.8 US cents, and as a matter of interest, the 10-year yield in Australia was 2.89%, and remember it was 1.76% a couple of months ago. So we can see 1.2% rise, which obviously will affect home buyers because that will probably go after the election. The RBA will probably increase the interest rate, and that will affect home buyers and the loans that they actually borrowed from the bank. Okay, I'm going to go now to the next section. Oops. For some reason it's gone higher and higher and small. Okay, now we go to the daily volume radar. That is actually when we look at stocks that have performed with higher volume than average. You see here that's Origin Energy. The moving average over 50 days for each day volume. You work out the moving average over 50 days. The volume is 8.2 million shares per day. Well, yesterday we've seen 11 million shares traded. That is 1.35 times the average. And the price went up by 3.1%. Price goes up, volume goes up, and then we need to compare that with the fair value. I'm going to reduce that a bit. The fair value is $6.28. We'll review this. It may have actually changed. And Zero Limited, the price was nearly 4.5%, and the volume was almost average. Again, we want to know why the prices have gone up, and if the volume has gone up and the fair value is higher than the price, then obviously we are interested. In the mid cap, Estia Health, the price was hardly changed. However, the volume is nearly 2 times the average. Australian Ethical Investment, 1.7 times the average volume, and the volume was slightly up. Kogan, and we've been trading Kogan. The price was up 4.1%, and the volume was average. However, look, Kogan latest price is $5.80 and the fair value is $11.15. We are interested, and that's why we are in. Mesoblast, we are trading Mesoblast, and look, the fair value is $2.14 versus $1.18 for the latest price. Now we go to the last section of our presentation and we look for the most active stocks. And here Mineral Resources, and we are trading Mineral Resources. It was up 5.7% yesterday. However, you can see here the fair value is 59. We traded this company about 3 days ago when it was $5.10. Oh, sorry, $51. So that's quite nearly more than 10% rise in the price. Again, we've got several quotations here. Novonix 4.9% higher, and the fair value is almost steady with the price. James Hardie, fair value is lower, however we still see a reasonable increase in the price. All these companies here, all the way from Santos to WiseTech, AGL, we're trading AGL. Woodside, we are trading Woodside. Origin, we are trading Origin. We are not trading Zero. However, we're not interested. 108 versus, oh, that can't be right, $29. No, that's something is wrong here. All right, well, that's all from us here at FS Securities. Trade safely and wisely and have a fantastic day.